Commissioner Mazzola, Dr. Roberts, my colleagues, Commissioner O'Grady and Commissioner Brown. I see President Hardin and certainly Mayor Ginther. I'm Kevin Boyce, County Commissioner, and I'm probably in day 3 of my post quarantine, quote, post COVID-19 positive um, designation. And I want to just tell you about my experience a little bit. I pride myself on washing my hands and using hand sanitizer every day. I kept myself socially distanced and had a mask on everywhere I went. Yet I started to feel like in typical change of season, my allergies was kicking in. And I felt confident that I had not been exposed and that I had not done anything that would compromise my health or someone else's health. But the symptoms grew much worse every day. My fever shot up. I was carrying over 102 fever that I could not break for several days. And then I started to have a lot of trouble breathing. Now, for those who don't know me outside of politics, you should know that I've probably run no less than 15 marathons in the last few years. I pride myself on taking care of myself and keeping myself together every day. While I don't think I'm the picture of health, I think I work pretty hard at it and do pretty okay with it. My temperature started to go up over a couple of days, and before I know it, I found myself in a hospital bed in a hospital here in Columbus. I was alone, I was scared, and I could not breathe. And I will tell you, I thought every day, what did I do to expose myself to COVID-19? What did I do? Where did I slip up? And my doctor told me it could have been anything. Just being out and about, you subject yourself, you can touch a doorknob and then rub your eye. You can, get a droplet in 1 minute of moving your mask, or, there are all kinds of ways, even that a diligent person could be exposed. And the reason why I wanted to come on and share this with you is because I wasn't sure if I was going to make it. And I can tell you, I feel like I'm in pretty good shape. And so for those of you who don't think that this is real or think that this is serious, I got news for you. And I will tell you, I'm very grateful for the calls and there's so many people who checked on me every day, but it's terrifying. And, when you're in a hospital, you're isolated because they don't want to expose anyone else to it. At one point, when I first was admitted, the doctor wouldn't even come in to the room. The doctor wouldn't even come in because he said, you're highly contagious and you have it. He said, so we're going to test you real quick for rapid test, just because there was a thought that maybe you had the other type of pneumonia and that could be treated with antibiotics or whatnot. And so they just wanted to be sure. But the point being is that, a little effort and a little bit of stress can protect you from a lot of stress and a lot of other type of effort. And so I just want to speak to Central Ohioans to say, let's work together to protect each other. I went through my contact tracing and I was absolutely even more terrified at the people that I could have infected and that I could have impacted their lives. I don't want to talk about others' health conditions, but I called my friend Commissioner O'Grady because we had spent time during those last few election days together. And I know he's had some challenges over the years. And I said, he's got to be one of the first people I call. And it was a tough call that I had to make to my friend and colleague, but he appreciated and immediately called his doctor. And the point is that I think about it, and perhaps I should have never even gone out and campaigned on those last few days before the election. And so, again, I just want to say to those folks who, if you got loved ones and people you care about and that care about you, then you'll mask up and you'll stay home and you'll work to protect all of us, because I'd like to see you on the other side of this. I'd like to see Central Ohio be stronger and better in 2021 on the other side of this. I'm healing now, and I probably lost, I don't know, 10 or 12 pounds. And I've been at home, and I'm by myself, you know, but I know I'm keeping others safe, keeping myself safe. And I know we all want to be around people for the holiday, but I want to just warn you and encourage you. If you really love your loved ones around the holiday, then you'll stay at home. Thank you.